Coconut oil benefits and source. Benefits: a boost in good cholesterol, good for blood sugar and diabetes, helps fight back against Alzheimer's disease, helps stop heart disease and high blood pressure, aids in liver health, boosts energy, aids with digestion, acts as a salve for wounds and burns, acts as an anti-aging component, helps with weight loss. Jarrow Formulas Organic Extra Virgin Coconut Oil Review. Description: certified organic, Expeller Pressed, rich and full coconut flavor, source of medium-chain triglycerides, no trans fatty acids TFAs, no hydrogenation, vegan, suitable for vegetarians or vegans, certified organic by QAI. Suggested use: coconut oil is stable even during long periods of storage. Because its melting point is 75 to 76 degrees Fahrenheit, coconut oil can be used in both liquid or solid forms for cooking and baking. Other ingredients: 100% unrefined Expeller Pressed, organic, extra virgin coconut oil. Contains tree nuts, coconut. No wheat, no gluten, no soybeans, no dairy, no egg, no fish, shellfish, no peanuts. Warnings: for maximum freshness, best kept refrigerated after opening. Customer reviews. For discount and more reviews, click link in description.